Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift 1.2 Dualjet Attitude 5-door. This vehicle is a limited edition vehicle consisting of a full carbon body kit and diamond cut alloy wheels and a roof spoiler. The vehicle has 6,570 miles, is in cosmic black metallic, and I will now show you around the exterior of the vehicle and the condition just to give you an insight. Starting at the front, we have the chrome front lip spoiler with the honeychrome and chrome style front grille, fog lights with daytime running lights. As you can see down the side, we have these 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, all in great condition with great tyres. Following down the side, we have body coloured door mirrors and door handles, which tie in well with the privacy glass on three sides. Carbon side skirts with a rear bumper diffuser. I've been around the vehicle and inspected the paintwork for any dents, scratches or any blemishes, and I'm glad to say there are none. As you can see, the body styling kit gives the look of the Suzuki Swift Sport. I will now give you a quick insight to the interior of the vehicle. Starting with the front, we have the wide opening front doors allowing ease of access, electric door mirrors with electric windows, multifunction steering wheel with audio functions and Bluetooth control, automatic headlights with climate control. We have the aircon with front and rear heated screen, plenty of storage pockets around the vehicle, and plenty of legroom for passengers in the front and the rear of the vehicle. In the rear, we have two ISOFIX points on the outer seats. As you can see, the tethers are on the rear of the 60/40 split system. Deep boot space allowing for good storage. Before leaving Luscombe's, the vehicle will come with its first service and the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. The vehicle will also come fully valeted, and if you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Luscombe Suzuki, look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.